welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Adore Dior, and today we'll be doing a video of the synthetic wig install, which I bought in the beauty supply store. And y'all, it's like I always say, nothing is perfect, so let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so as y'all could see, my hair is natural. I started going natural because my scalp is still sensitive, and I cut my hair I think over a year ago, and it's now growing back. I don't know if I'm really happy about that, if I want to cut it again or not, but anyway. Yeah, so I always wanted to try to install my own wigs, so since this is a synthetic wig, I'm like, let me give it a try instead of going to the hair salon to install it. So as y'all could see, it's probably not gonna be as slick as when you go to the hair salon, but I'm still gonna try. And that I just used is the melting spray, and I bought that on Love Me your website. And this is a thin spray, a lace thin spray. I bought it in the beauty supply store. And this glue, which is super good to use and strong, I also got it from Love Me. Alright, y'all, so this wig has 3 pins or combs, whatever they call them, to and that elastic band to close the back of the wig, so you could adjust this so it could be tighter. I didn't really use the combs to hold my wig in place because I had closed the drawstring or the elastic part, so it was fine. Y'all see that lace? What lace? Yeah, this hair is so nice. I don't think it's as nice as y'all could see it on the phone. It's nicer in person. Yeah, I had to add more glue to glue the wig to the wig cap that I had put on earlier. Remember, y'all, I'm new to this, so I don't know if I'm doing it right, but I tried. As y'all could see, I'm brushing the hair with a wide toothbrush. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but yeah. There's no tangling, no shedding. So y'all could see, y'all, this wig is the bomb.com. Okay, y'all, there y'all have it. There's my first synthetic wig install. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Just remember to like, subscribe. Thank you. See y'all another time.